In this video, we're gonna see how we can download, install, and run Archicad, which is a BIM application, which stands for Building Information Modeling. So if you search for BIM, so Building Information Modeling, Archicad is one of the most popular software out there, as it's used for managing an entire architecture project from the 2D drawings to the 3D models and much more. So it's kind of a 360-degree application for architectural project management. Now let's go here in the official website, and this is where you can get graphics of Archicad, and you have many different options. You can buy it or you can try it. So there is a free trial which is going to be for 30 days, so you can download, and you need to create an account, of course, and then you can download a 30 days free trial. Or if you are a student or a teacher, you're going to create an account, a specific account for that, and you're going to have a 1 year free, and you can also extend it. So it's an educational version. Now you can also buy it, and you will find again all the information. You can contact a local partner. You can buy it from the Graphisoft store. You can see all the prices and all the information that you need. So essentially everything you need is on the website. So just go there and see all the characteristics. Now, if you don't really know what um, Archicad is, here you will find again everything you need to know. So you can see that essentially you can design, you can create technical drawings and 3D models, and you can visualize using rendering engine, materials, lights. You can collaborate with other people. Again, you can design, visualize, see all the technical drawings. It's a really enormous software, and again, you will find all the information right here. Now you can use any browser, and you can create an account. You need an account, so you need to insert your email, name, surname, and other information, and then you have to create a password. Now once you create your account, you can access the download page here, and essentially you can just search it. So I'm just looking for the Archicad international version because I have a version but it's in Italian. So to create a video, I want to also use the latest version but international. So this is the download page. I'm gonna click on the download the latest, and you can see we can use Archicad for Mac or for Windows. Now in my case I have Windows, so I'm gonna click here for the international version, and then you can see I can also download the German and Italian, but I'm going to select the international version. Now you can see it's almost 3 gigabyte. I've already downloaded right here. So this is the installation file, the installer. So I double click on that and just proceed in the installation. And it's not gonna take too long if you have an SSD. And there you go. This is the wizard right here. So this will install Archicad on your computer. So let's click next and just go forward with the installer. Now, since I already have Archicad in Italian, I want to use the another folder here for the English version, and then click next. And again, this is going to be typical, so I don't want to spend too much time. And this is what is going to be installed. So Archicad 26 libraries and BMax, BIMX viewer license manager tool. Also, this is important to upload your license, and then you can use, of course, the software. So once you finish to download and install, you need to go through also the license manager tool. So let's install and let's wait. So you can see now it's unpacking, and we just need to wait a little bit for everything to be installed. So take your time, grab a cup of tea, and then come back later. Okay, so we can see now it's installing the license manager tool, which again is a really important part because once you finish to install Archicad, then you need this additional little software to actually insert your license. And also I'm going to create a desktop shortcut, which could be handy, and you're going to have like updates every time. So I just finished to install it. I can close this windows right here. So this is the desktop icon. Now I can double click and just run the software. But first of all, if you didn't do it already, you need, yeah, you can see I've already logged in and I've already uploaded my license because I've already installed the Italian version, but that's a step, an extra step you need to do. So just go in the Windows application, you can look for the license tool and follow the instructions. Probably you're going to receive an email with everything that you need. If you have any issue, you can contact directly the Archicad Graphisoft team. They're going to help you to figure out how to start. So right now I'm just ready. You can see I can create a new file. So I'm just gonna go here, say accept, continue, and there you go. Now I can choose a template to start from. And well, in this case, I only have this one here, which is Archicad 26 template. And you have some profiles here, but it's just gonna leave it default for this first introductory video. And I'm gonna say new. So now it's creating the project, and there you go. Well, you can choose here what you want to do, and that's it. So this is the Archicad interface we are in, and you can see it took really a short amount of time to get ready and to start here with Archicad in English language. We can see here all the menus are in English, etc., etc. Now this is just an introduction, just to show you what Archicad is and how you can download it to test it. Yeah, you can download a free trial if you want, totally for free, and you can also go for the student version if you're a student, or for the teacher version if you're a teacher, or you can buy it, and there are different options again. But again, you will find all the extra information just by going in the official website. So this will be all for this first introductory video. We're gonna do more, so you can subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the videos that we're gonna do. We're gonna create a course and we're gonna explain all the most important features, commands, panels, tools that we find in the software. This is a really amazing and enormous software with a lot of functionalities, and little by little we're gonna start from zero. We're gonna increase the level little by little, and we're gonna explain how everything works here. And if you're an architect or an engineer, you will be really enthusiastic about this software. It's a really uh, amazing software. So this will be all for this first lesson, and I hope you enjoy it. Again, subscribe to the channel, join the channel to support us, check our other video guides, our other courses that we publish daily, and that's it. If you have questions, you can also write it in the comments. Also suggestions for other users, anything that can be appropriate and on this particular topic about Archicad, about the building information modeling software, and that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.